the 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 30,000 miles, this four-door sedan offers innovative technology and equipment. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Fuel economy of 26 miles per gallon on the highway proves this vehicle's efficiency, saving you money at the pump. All of the following features are included: tilt and telescoping steering wheel, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including front and rear side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. We'd love to show you this vehicle in person. Call to schedule a test drive today.